Welcome to Cloud Computing Service Models Expert Viewpoints. In this video, we will listen to several cloud experts discuss the choice and adoption of different cloud models. Can you talk about use case scenarios or considerations for choosing the right cloud model for your organization? Model as in IaaS, SaaS, or PaaS, or public, private, or hybrid.
When choosing a cloud model for your organization, you want to consider where is your organization at in the cloud journey. So if they have a lease that's about to expire at the data center, then they might not have time to rewrite the application to be cloud native. They might just have time to take the application exactly as it is on the virtual machines in the data center and move them onto virtual machines in the cloud. And that's called infrastructure as a service. If you have more time, you could consider re-platforming, and that means putting it on a platform as a service, such as containers, or a service that operates the operating system for you, patches the operating system for you, and all you have to do is install extra dependencies yourself. Or if you want to move really fast and you have a brand new product that you're just starting to write, why not start with the latest approach, which is functions as a service? Use serverless functions and you can move really fast because you don't have to manage any underlying infrastructure. The security of the operating system is handled for you by the cloud provider.
Generally, my answer is to stay as high on the stack as you can to meet your business requirements. So, SaaS applications provide the business value with little or no technology resource investment beyond the subscriptions. So if that works, that's great. Platform as a service, as I mentioned, allows developers to focus on building and deploying new applications without having to grapple with the details of cloud infrastructure. And if in a lot of cases that will save money and investment and allow you to focus on building your products more quickly in time to market. Infrastructure as a service, though, is the right answer when you need control, specific control of all the compute and network resources to achieve your business goals. So in many cases, that'll make sense too.
While choosing the right cloud model, organizations should consider what are their business needs, the level of control that they would like to have, and the cost. If your business needs an out-of-the-box software like email, CRM, event management tool, etc., then choose software as a service. It will offer access from anywhere and any device, automatic software updates, lower cost and easy adoptions. You will need a vendor to manage the software. If you require a platform for building products, then choose platform as a service. It is a perfect choice for software development companies as it provides developers with reduced development time, different programming language support, easy collaboration with teams, and reduces the cost. If your business simply needs a virtual machine, then opt for infrastructure as a service. Scenarios for using infrastructure as a service can be hosting a website, virtual data centers, or performing data analysis. Infrastructure as a service is more expensive than SaaS or PaaS, and all issues related to virtual machine management is business's responsibility. However, it is more reliable and secure as data is kept at designated data centers.
As you move down the layers of abstraction from software as a service all the way to infrastructure as a service, the trade-off is that you take on more management responsibilities yourself, with the advantage of having more control over how your resources are configured. I'll typically only take that trade-off when I have to. So let's say I'm building a website. I'll typically default to a software as a service option, let's say WordPress. But then maybe it turns out the website I'm building is somewhat complicated and I want it to be a React app. I might host that app on a platform as a service. But then let's suppose I have a requirement that my app needs to run in an operating system that is not supported by the platform as a service. At that point, I'll have to just provision some VMs myself and figure out how to run it myself.